Today in history, for what he met a in studio without Emma Quera. Emma for chair Kachamu Guano Gang. Emma Neo competitive Guluka Erne ento Kadikiti do Kadi Bade ma bade ni. An kill la bade pat kill etiene. So okay, fine. So today in history, Wapoyo Ninama and Yesu Christo ki crucify nyo and ki gore yen matar, and that is exactly Nima. Kilo about Judas Iscariot, muchamo pangyo kitma gitwara wajikere, kind of like going against Christ, betraying Christ, kumeno eroni. So Pat, in nino enni ngoma itwara po yukere tutwal.
Iberu kidano kwa waranyim ento kare o pajomo kene romo kwerni ken pigingei.
Yes.
Kwero ni in piki ni kake kwero chalo pa yuda mo kwero tin la choni an pa ni wego wilo bo ni ngara chiel mo tie mo kwero Yesu la kore jomona gitimo bal gi kwero dano gi kanne gi lako gi ni don gi raj lo wen. In fact kano Yesu to no mi go beri ken joma gi to pi gi dugu
Indo kare bir la ngol kop no ngol baraj ba.
Not really. Adong inero yuda ba Yuda okwero Yesu ento Yesu ngeyo ni ngara chele kenune botime kuman mo kwero Yesu ma Yesu ngeyo Yesu ene wachini these are people you should not leave alone mere di chokweri eno wala wo matika akiseta wachini tie jomo timuji maraju wan ben watimo ji maraju kara eni kara me mole ku gumpen wachini atimo gen maraj utima kija pangeyo Anytime ma yuda dong mo ngero ni kingeyo ni ko ubera ko mingo.
An po yukira ma Yesu Kristo po cher kere ma dong kit guru dong malo ibi yat matar and chi they were sinners. Achiel wajani word lo ba. Kai cher kuno ibi polo wiu poi koma. Chi mu kene wajani ini wine Latin pa Yesu Latin pa ba pingo pe tuer ka konye.
Kikeni pingo pe a kikenyo.
But when Jesus Christ went to heaven, indeed remember this person who said, "Ke chero malo no bolo ba po piera." So chalo la Christo kong ma chel kong ni no me Good Friday any po tika celebrating just ni kuono no Yesu kigoro. And in the modern Christianity, do you think ni dano petika misunderstanding the meaning of Good Friday?
Paul Karani ki botwa kombet ni Christian community kitamni Good Fridays kar magen ki tiaro ki very mot they relax go out hang out ento in European when me fasting kan watika tiyo fasting this is the last day of our fasting nirma ini beruchi iwachi alego pe European when kan nati ken juario la kuo ki mon makira be mo be ken Yesu ni ana na be wachi Yesu ko to dugo gama Kije ane na biberi chala mera lingo mora wa ya vimba kigini mora tawa kwere. Now, at the end of the day, we must make choices on our decision in life. Kwa wa meto chat kwe, kwa wa meto betini, and na meta betkini. And that is the justification me wa yela choni ni Yesu kay ta uyopo ikoma. O wa da Yesu bene uyopo udugu. Onero ketmo mere kwa ngara chileni. Ki pero meni na.
Mono ke loko kumero ke wera po la wo lok mote me kom kitutu ngar mo choy Twitter ni dana machalo kitutu eno miero no peki timgi kija pe no miero pe na kinunglo ya mo chuyi komgi. Surely Christians, have we gone to that level? Because Yesu Kristo wajani ki ngeni in pe bero la bal be ngar ma chiel me bolo la gwen.
Bible mama arwache dano chengi kirika ngar mo timo mama ranyo atimo gi mama rach. Amar wachini whatsoever you do to the least of your brothers, then you
that
do
song
unto
is so
me.
sweet, and you coined the conversation. Yes, of course, and Pat has just summarized it very well. I can't add it anymore.